In this video, we are going to talk about restoring division algorithm. First of all, let's see how division is manually performed. Let's take two numbers, 1011 that is 11 and 11 that is 3 in binary. I'm sure you are familiar with this kind of division that I'm performing right now. And that's it, we got the answer. Quotient is equal to 11, that is 3, and remainder is 210. Okay, so terminology here is this term here is dividend, we will call it I, and this term is divisor, we will call it D. For future references, please remember these terms. Okay. Now what we need to understand here is what goes behind the scenes of this operation that is shown here. So we need to understand that division is nothing but repeated subtraction of divisor from the dividend. Let's perform that operation and see how it goes. So we have dividend I is equal to 1011, D is equal to 11. And let's have some quotient value we want to compute. 4 bits same as that of dividend. If dividend is 4 bits, the quotient can have maximum 4 bits in it. So yeah, that's pretty obvious. Okay, now let's perform this operation more in detail. What we do here is we start from left, we take 1 bit at a time of dividend. Then what we do is we subtract D from it. We get some negative value. This is some negative value. When we get negative value, we know that this D is greater than the value we have popped up from dividend. So we get 0 in a quotient. Then again we restore the value. Then we get back 1 again. Next time we pop up this 0. 0 is pop up. Again we subtract the D from it. Again we get some negative value. So we get again, we put again a 0 in a quotient. Again we restore it, we get 1 0. Now we have 1 0 1 after having this 1 here. Now this time when we subtract it, we get some positive answer, that is 1 0. Then we put quotient as 1. We don't restore the thing again because we have got some positive value. Now we take this last bit, append it here, again subtract the same from here, and we do 1 0. So again we don't restore it and put quotient as 1. So are you getting here what we have got? We have got the quotient as exactly as wanted, and we have got remainder as well. So this is the basic idea behind the restoring division operation. We perform multiple subtractions and left shift operations on dividend along with the accumulator, and we get final answer as remainder, and we also get the quotient. Now let's see the implementation of this algorithm. Let's assume we have n bit dividend, and we are going to initialize some registers for this operation. First of all, we're going to have register D, which is equal to n plus 1 bit divisor. So we are going to modify divisor so that it has n plus 1 bits by adding extra zeros. Now this is done for the simplification of subtraction operation during the algorithm. Now the main register which we are going to update, it has accumulator A and dividend I. So accumulator A is also of n plus 1 bits, and it is initialized to all zeros first, and I is basically nothing but dividend. So this is the initialization part. Now let's talk about how in each step the operations are performed. You have to execute n times following steps. First, shift left A and I0 unassigned in this step. Then we are going to subtract D from A, that is A equal to A minus D. Third is the most important step, that is if sign of A is 1, then I0 is equal to 0, and we are going to restore A. For restoring A, we just need to add the D back to the result so that we get the previous A again. So this is why this algorithm is called as restoring division. We have the sign of A is 1, we have to restore A. And if sign of A is 0, then set I0 is equal to exactly opposite 1. That's it. And there is no need to restore A this time. So this is how the algorithm works. And in the next video, we will see about its flowchart and the example using the restoring division algorithm. Thank you.